Hello unique divas, hope you are doing great. Alright, for today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how I got this Asooke Ruffles headband. Okay, I made this for a family, and without taking your time, let's move straight to tutorial. So this is padded headband. This already made one. I got this from people that sell fascinators. So I've already attached this elastic, and this elastic measures 8 inches. I use my needle and thread to attach it. If you have been watching my videos, you notice that that side is not a new method. So the length of this fabric is 25 inches. I'll be using it to wrap this Asooke. Lest I forget, I used 2 lines of Asooke for this design, okay? I first of all cut 25 inches from the 2 pieces of Asooke. You understand what I mean? I got half bundle and I picked 2 lines. So for one design, I used 2 lines. So I first of all cut 25 inches, which is this one. I divided into 2. So I'm folding the half of it. Please, while folding, make sure that one side is bigger than the other side. That side you cut will be inside, while the smooth side will be on top of it. So I'll be wrapping it on top of this Alice band. You can see what I'm doing. Please do your wrapping this way, okay? Why I'm doing this is because I didn't get the exact color of this Alice band, so I had to improvise by wrapping the Asooke on top of it. So I'll be wrapping it this way. And while doing this, if you wrap, you rub your candle gum. If you wrap, you rub your candle gum. So I'm going to do this method even on the other side. So you can see what I just did. When you get here, you cut it off. So exactly what you did on that side, you'll be doing it on the remaining other side. All right, this is shiny bias, okay? This is how I did my finishing here. I've done the other side of it, one side of the Alice band. So I'll be doing the other edge of it. So just take anything, but I prefer using this shiny bias. It gives it this cute look once you finish. So I'll be wrapping it this way, and I'll cut it out this way, and I'll use my candle gum to do the finishing. Please guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't hesitate to like and also comment. Then for my returning subscribers, I love you all. So this is what you will do, and once I'm done doing this, we'll be moving over to the next point. So this is the outcome. You can see how it looks. All right, so this fabric I'm holding is the remaining fabric. Remember, I used 2 pieces of Asooke. Understand what I mean? Normal Asooke, half of it is 4 pieces. Then out of that 4 pieces, cut out 2 lines. Then from that 2 lines, cut out 25 inches, you understand? So the remaining part of the 2 lines is what I'm holding now. So what you do is fold one side just the way you're seeing it, then fold, take it to your sewing machine and sew down, you understand? Then on the other side of it, do same thing, exactly same thing I just did here. You can see it's very long. I'm just showing you to prove that I didn't cut out anything. So on this side again, fold the way you're seeing, then sew it down. So after sewing, you're going to join both edges. I forgot to show you how I did this, but watch closely. I'm done joining all together. I stitch one side, I stitch the other side, then place it together, take it to my sewing machine and sew that, you understand? I sew one side, then sew both together this way. So this one gave me the outcome. All right, so let's start designing the ruffles. So what I just did now is to fold this way. Remember, the wrong side will be facing you. That rough side of the Asooke will be facing you. So first of all, insert your needle and thread this way and lock your thread. See what I'm doing, lock it this way. If you don't do this, you notice that if you drag your thread, it will just pull off. Asooke behave somehow. So if you don't do this, it will just show you pepper. It's very simple. So continue to fold this way. That's what I'm doing. I'm just folding it into half, and I'll be doing my running stitch like this. This is very easy. You understand? Just do your normal running stitch. There is no trick to running stitch. Normal running stitch, you know. So continue to fold this way. Lest I forget, if you have not joined our 1 month challenge, I call this GAS, GAHS, kindly join it. The link to our general WhatsApp group is on the description box. If you also have any question, you can ask me. Use this number on your screen to ask your questions. If you want to start headgear business from the scratch, from the comfort of your home, don't miss this tutorial. I've said this before. The main reason for this GAHS 1 month challenge is at least at 1 month, you'll be able to start your own headgear business. Then within 3 months, you should be a professional. Just mark this, unique, set this. So just know that this training will be starting from 1st April. So from April, May, June, just know that ending of June, you're already a professional. It's a promise. All right, so please, if you have any question concerning the tutorial, kindly ask me. Join our general WhatsApp group and pick the information you need. This opportunity might not come again, no. All right, so I just stitched and I reached to where I started. The next thing I'm just doing is to show you one design you can get from this. This is not the actual design I wanted to get to, but I said, let me just show you this. Can you see this rose design? All right, so you can just form any design with this particular method, but I just had to show you that one. You can form your togele and attach that rose design the way you saw it. But you notice that when I finished doing it, I dragged it very well. I opened it up because that's not the design I want to achieve. All right, so what I'm doing now is I place this on my Alice band and I'm just dragging it to expand it because I want the ruffle to move from one side of the Alice band to the center of it. So continue to drag, adjust, until you get your desired design. I don't know if you understand me. All right, so once I get what I want, next thing I'll be doing is to start tacking with my needle and thread. Please ignore any background noise. In case you can hear a dog barking, please ignore it. The noise nearly stopped me from recording this video, but I said no, this tutorial must move on. All right, so I'm using my needle and thread to tack it. You can see what I'm doing. I was doing before, it was not showing, and I had to adjust my hand so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So continue to tack the way you are seeing. Please, while doing this, don't drag too much, okay? Because you notice that if you drag too much, in fact, it will spoil the normal length you want. So don't drag too much. Even as you tack, try to expand it so you ensure you get that length you want. So I'll continue to do this and tack till I get what I want. Continue to watch, you understand it very well. So guys, this is the outcome. You can see how it's beautifully tacked. So once you're done doing this, you drag this out. You can see what I'm doing. Just drag the ruffles out, split it as if you are dragging it. The other side will be coming up, while the other side will be lying flat. You notice that that side lying flat will cover that your tacked side. That's just the trick. So make it to be fluffy, and this is it. You can use embellishment, your stones, and any other thing to add beauty to it. And we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't hesitate to comment on the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.